Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to see about experimental evidence for chemical evolution of life. Experimental evidence for chemical evolution of life. It is also called as Miller's experiment or Urey and Miller's experiment. Chemical evolution of life is a theory that will explain how first life is originated. According to chemical evolution of life, inorganic constituents or inorganic substances converted into organic substances or organic molecule. Organic molecule is converted into life. That is the chemical evolution of life, which is experimentally proved by the Urey and Miller's experiment. Urey and Miller's experiment. The experimental evidence for the chemical evolution of life is given by Miller in 1953. Miller is an American scientist. What he did, he created similar conditions of Earth, similar conditions of primitive Earth in a laboratory. And later, he have found that formation of the organic molecules like amino acids from the inorganic substances. Amino acids are the organic molecules which are present in living organisms, but we have observed that formation of amino acids within the apparatus where he have created earth primitive atmosphere. By this way, he have proved the theory of chemical evolution. If you observe the experiment, what he did, he have taken one flask. This is one flask, and within this flask, he have sealed the few gases. He have taken few gases within this flask. The gases, actually, what are the gases which are present in the primitive Earth? Same gases he have taken. He have taken the gases which he have taken is methane, ammonia, water vapor, hydrogen. These are the gases which are present in primitive Earth. He have taken that gases within this flask. If you observe the primitive Earth, primitive chemical reactions happen in primitive Earth with the energy which is provided from the volcanic eruption, volcanic storms, and UV rays, reducing atmosphere and all. It is not possible to create all those things within this flask. Hence, for the energy, we have connected electrodes. Electrodes he have connected to this flask that will provide the energy. These electrodes are made with tungsten. That electrodes provide energy for the chemical reactions within the flask. One end of the flask he connected to another small flask. One end of the flask he connected to another small flask. He have taken boiling water in this small flask. Continuously he have heat the water, hence we can see the boiling water in this flask. When the water is boiled, the water vapor is circulated throughout the apparatus. Finally, that water vapor is entered into the main flask. That is only this water vapor: methane, ammonia, water vapor, hydrogen. Next, actually, to start the experiment or before starting of experiment, we have to create vacuum. We have to remove all extra gases which are present in this flask. For that, we have used one outlet, that is to vacuum pump, to remove the all things which are present in the apparatus before the starting of experiment. Next, another end of flask he connected to condenser. This is the condenser. Here, Earth primitive atmosphere contain very high temperature. Hence, he have created 800 degrees Celsius temperature within this flask. Chemical reactions happen at 800 degrees Celsius, leads to formation of organic molecules. If you want to collect that organic molecules, we have to cool that organic molecules. Hence, we have connected this flask, other side to this flask to the condenser. One side we have to send the water into the condenser, another side water is move out from this condenser. Within this condenser we can see another pipe. Through this pipe you can see flow of organic substances. Hence, when the substances are flow through this pipe, the water which is present outside the pipe responsible for decrease of temperature of these organic substances. After the decrease of temperature, the organic substances we can collect in trap. This is the U-shaped trap. Within this trap, you can see the liquid water. These water contain organic compounds which are formed in main flask. Here, after that, we can collect the organic substances from this flask. Then after 18 days, what Miller identified that formation of simple amino acids. Formation of simple amino acids within the flask. That simple amino acids include alanine, glycine, aspartic acid, etc. Then there is another members. Another members did the same experiment, and there they also got, along with the amino acids, those are also got the sugars, nitrogenous bases, pigments and fats. Then based on that we have identified that chemical evolution of life is correct only. Life is originated on the earth by the chemical evolution. Next, analysis of meteorite. Meteorite means that things which comes like stones which are comes from the universe. That analysis, when we analyze the that meteorites which are come from the universe to the earth, we have found that similar compounds like that organic molecules which are formed on primitive earth, those substances we have also found in that meteorites. Based on that, we can understand that similar process like what happened on the earth, those are also happen in other places in the universe. And here you have to see the meanings of few words, that is chemogenic, synthesis of organic molecules by chemical interactions. Here what happened, inorganic molecules are converted into organic molecules. That process is called as chemogenic. Then biogenic, formation of self-replicating biomolecules in broth. Broth is nothing but first life is formed in water, that is only called as a hot dilute soup or water. Conversion of this organic complex into self-replicating forms is called as biogeny. Then after that, the self-replicating organisms are evolved into different types of organisms, that is called as cognogeny. Chemogeny, biogeny, cognogeny. Chemogeny means synthesis of organic molecules by chemical reactions. Biogeny means formation of self-replicating biomolecules in broth. That is also called as primordial hot soup or warm little pot. Cognogeny means evolution of various life forms from diversification of existing groups. Thank you.